Welcome to Expert SEM program on supply chain knowledge term. Today we are going to see one important topic on Kanban. It is a Japanese word loosely translated as a signal. Especially in a pull system, there will be a signal for the previous operation to commence their operation and they are not done as per the forecast or push system. So Kanban is specifically followed in automobile industries practicing lean or JIT methodologies. So Kanban is a method of just-in-time production that uses standard containers or lot sizes with a single cord attached to each of them. It is a pull system in which work center signal with a cord that they wish to withdraw the parts from feeding operation, or even that could be suppliers. The Japanese word Kanban translated means cord, billboard or a sign, but other signaling device such as colored golf balls have also been used. The term is often synonymously used for the specific scheduling system developed and used by the Toyota. Maybe you might have heard about Toyota production system, which is very popular in automobile industry. Their items are made or produced either based on the actual order or requirement, so that you can pull it from the previous operation. Previous operation can be your own unit or it can be from your vendor. You are going to try to pull the item only if there is a requirement. So you can see there are a lot of benefits by using Kanban. Inventory level is going to come down and you are going to do the product only when there is an actual order. Thanks for watching. Bye.